Hello Telegram creators, want to update your channel link to something fresh? I got you. In just few taps, I'll show you how to change it. Let's go. First, open Telegram and go to the channel where you want to change the link. Tap on the channel name at the top to open the details. Now tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Select channel type and tap on manage invite links. Here you will see an option to create a new link. Tap on it and tap create link again after setting up. What type of channel do you run? A new channel, a fan page, or something else? Drop your answers below. Once done, your new link is active and you can share it with your audience. And that's it. Your Telegram channel now has a brand new link. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.